Welcome to the Landscan homepage on the Eastview website. On this information screen, you may review a short description of the data. You can also link to a list of frequently asked questions, such as how to access and use the data. Usually, Geographic Information System or GIS access is restricted, but with our easy-to-use web application, you can conveniently access the data through any web browser. We understand each user is interested in specific data for a unique purpose. Our set of web mapping tools allows you to zoom in, click, and drag. You can also use the scroll wheel to zoom in, or use these buttons to pan around the world. The application allows certain kinds of search functionality. You can adjust the transparency level to view the data underneath, or zoom into a specific area to check it out. A shortcut is to hold down the Shift key and click. The rubber band zoom feature will bring you into that area. From there, you can view several layers of Landscan data. There's the more common Landscan dataset, which includes population by square kilometers, the Landscan data population and demographic data, which you can view by first administrative unit level or by country level. The legend gives you a rough order of population. You can adjust the transparency to peek at the base map underneath. There's a street-level base map, a satellite map, and an open street map. We make it easy for you to access the demographics of a certain area. You can view it at the pixel level, the first administrative unit level, and the country level. For example, to choose the first admin unit, click on the Point Search tool. It shows you the admin unit, plus it also breaks down the total population for the area. Here you have the total population, the country, and the admin unit, as well as the breakdown. If you hover over these, you can get the population estimates and percentages. You can also view the gender ratio. Simply click on the piece chart to see the breakdown between male and female populations. Again, you can also view this data at the country level and the pixel level. To learn the value of a particular pixel, turn on the Landscan dataset, zoom into an area, click on it, and get the population for that pixel. If you want to view areas that aren't designated by first admin unit or by country, you can simply click the Search by Drawing tool instead and draw the particular area of interest. Another option is to search for a designated country or first admin unit. Just start typing and it will auto-complete. For example, to search for somewhere in Brazil, type in the first few letters and then click on the country or the specific unit you want to view. This will actually take you to that area and calculate the population breakdown at the same time. We recognize you may be interested in learning about top countries in the world based on population. You can check out a quick chart ranking top countries by population, such as China, India, United States, Indonesia, and so on. Simply scroll through to view total population values. If you want more demographic detail, you can click on a particular country. This will take you to its location on the map and provide a breakdown of the population by age and by gender. Click again for further breakdown of the data by age group. You can easily go back and check out previous screens or choose another country. We also enable you to access data through common GIS software applications like ArcGIS, produced by Esri. Once the ArcMap is open, you can simply navigate to where the Landscan data is stored. There's a raster data set which allows you to run all sorts of raster analyses. This data set includes population value. You can load in one of the other data sets to view demographic information. For example, click on the United States to see the country, the admin unit, the total population, and the population breakdown by age group and by gender. This is the same data that the web application is accessing. In addition to providing the raw data free of access locally, we also give you access to WMS and WCS web services, so your organization has 24/7 access to it. This access is restricted by key, so you don't have to distribute credentials. You simply go to GIS servers and add a WMS server. We provide the link. You choose Get Layers, and then you can query it and extract data from it like you do with other data sets. Rely on Landscan every day and in a variety of ways. Landscan from Eastview. Uncommon information, extraordinary places.